Hey everybody, it's Artabulous, and today we are making a pizza. So the reason I'm so excited for this pizza is because we got real pizza dough from Trader Joe's. It's hard to read it because it's a bit crunchy, but I'll try to show it. So if there's a Trader Joe's near you, you can get this one and try it out for yourself. We also got pizza sauce from Trader Joe's, and I've never tried it before, so I'll see if it's good. The ingredients we're using is Daiya mozzarella cheese, and also from Trader Joe's we have fake ground beef. So today I'll be making it with you guys, and that's it. So while I wait for the dough to thaw out, I put the crumbles on the pan and season it with onion salt, oregano, and seasoning salt. Then, while the crumbles cooked, I lightly sprinkled flour on the countertop to flatten the dough on. I split it in half and flattened each half into a circle. After doing the first one on the countertop, I noticed that it shrunk a lot when I transferred it, so for the second half, I decided to flatten it out on the cookie sheet. Also, as you can see, I stopped using my hands to flatten the dough and instead flattened the dough with a glass. I didn't have a rolling pin on hand, so my mom said that a glass would work just as well. However, I strongly recommend you guys using an actual rolling pin because it's a lot of work otherwise. After finally getting the dough as flat as I could get it, I spread the sauce on, added as much cheese as I wanted, and topped it with the crumbles. I put the pizza in the oven on 425, and after about 10 minutes, the pizza was done. Okay guys, so I just tried the pizza, and the crust was thick, which is how I like mine. And the sauce, since I didn't really season it that much, I couldn't really taste it. And plus I had lots of cheese, so it did. See you next time for another video. If you like this one, press that like button and comment down below. If you want to see more, press that subscribe button down below.